Hey strangers, see what I did there? Hey guys, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over Hey Stranger off of Phish's new album, Evolve. Really cool tune. This was a requested song, so glad to put this one out there. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. If you're returning to the channel, you already know. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, so Hey Stranger, there's like a couple chords here, really. I think there's maybe 4 or 5 chords, and primarily flat and minor chords. So it kind of centers around this little riff here. And that gets played over and over and over for the verses and for the jam as well. So what we're playing here, we've got a B flat minor, D flat minor, C minor, B flat minor. So that first B flat minor, we're actually using this little riff here. So that is basically, that's B flat minor, but we're doing it in a riff form instead of playing a chord. So that starts here on the 8th fret of that A string, and pull off to the 6th fret there, 9th fret on the E, 6th on the E. Okay, and then from there we just go. It's a really simple walk down there. So this D flat minor, barring the 9th fret here, ring finger is on the 11th of the A, pinky is on the 11th of the D, and we're just going to walk this down. So this is a D flat minor, just walk it down to a C minor, and then we're gonna skip a fret to this B flat minor. So D flat minor, up 1 fret, C minor, 2 frets, B flat minor. Okay? Okay. Again, you repeat that over and over and over, so you get very comfortable, very comfortable with that piece. The chorus part, pretty similar, except for instead of this B flat minor, we're doing an F minor. And that F minor, barring 8th fret here, middle finger is on the 9th fret here, that B. Pinky finger is on the 10th of the G, and ring is on the 10th of the D. So that's the F minor that we're playing as well. So after so what I'm doing for the chorus part, keeping this riff almost identical, but instead of coming to this B flat here, I'm going to go to this F right here on the 8th fret here of the A string. So we start here. So I did there again, starting here on this 8th fret here, we're doing, so the same thing, pulling off from the 8 to the 6, still hitting this 9th fret here on the E, and then I'm going to the 8th fret again to hop to my F minor chord. Okay? And then from this F minor, we're going to the C minor, B flat minor. Alright, so you do that 3 times. and then no, actually on the third time, then we'll go to an E flat, which is just borrowing the 6th and the 8th frets here. Back to this B flat minor 7, and then we go back to the riff. And I was watching some videos. I mean, Trey does things differently than most of us do, I think. So there are sometimes I think he's not, I don't think he's doing a riff in the chorus. I think sometimes I've seen him just hanging on this F minor. So without doing the riff. Guys, that's it. Like I said, relatively quick one today. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave any feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.